Where did all the colors go? Let's find them. Come on, let's go. A magic light shines so bright, the colors tonight. Red, red, shining bright. Red is glowing, what a sight. Apple, rose, balloon, heart. Red is special from the start. Find the red. 1, 2, 3. Look around, come with me. Ha-ha! Red, red, happy day. Red is here, let's all play. Apple, rose, balloon, heart. Red is fun, very smart. Ruby shines, red is back, hip hooray! Come and see, blue's the next adventure with me. Keep on smiling, keep on growing. Every day our minds are glowing. Bye-bye friends, we'll meet again with Lila